Welcome to Expert Insights on Buildings Canada. We're doing live interviews at the Building Show here in Toronto. I'm here with Cameron, who just finished doing his session on Tallwood buildings and the new building code update. Thank you so much for being here.
You're welcome.
Now, the first question I want to ask is why were mid-sized and tallwood buildings not allowed before, and why have things changed?
So the National Building Code of Canada is developed as a consensus document. So every 5 years, it's the current state of the art of what Canada's designers and engineers and authorities feel they have confidence in the performance of. So the reason why mid-rise and tallwood buildings weren't yet in the code is because the committees for the codes didn't yet know if they could be confident in the construction performance of mid-rise systems and tall systems. Over the last few years, technical information has been developed that gave the codes committees confidence that mid-rise buildings can meet the life safety and performance requirements in the building code.
And then what are some of the tallest wood buildings currently built around the world and here in Canada as well?
So around the world, there are buildings that are 10 stories, 12 stories, and 13 stories. Some of those buildings are in Australia. Others are in Scandinavia, Austria, and Switzerland. There are building designs for up to 34 stories, and that's proposed for Paris, and 24 stories for Stockholm. Closer to home, in Canada, the tallest wood building currently is about 6 stories, the Wood Innovation Design Centre in Prince George, British Columbia. But within the next 2 or 3 years, we're going to see a 13-story wood building in Quebec City and perhaps an 18-story wood building at the University of British Columbia in Vancouver.
Very interesting. And so what is cross-laminated timber and how is it being used right now and why?
So cross-laminated timber is a new type of mass timber product. It's an engineered wood product. It takes pieces of dimensional lumber and puts them in layers that alternate in direction and puts glue between those layers. It could be 3 layers, 5, 7, or 9 layers. So what you end up with is a massive slab of wood, and that can be used as either a wall, a floor, or as structural columns in a building. So it's a very flexible product, and it has low weight and very good strength properties as well.
Wonderful. And that's all the time that we have for right now. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you to CMD for letting us host these interviews in their booth. And for everybody that's watching at home, if you like these videos, they will be posted to our YouTube channel, so please do subscribe. And we'll see you next time.